The XT4 mini drone impresses with its dual HD cameras, delivering stunning aerial photography. The remote control provides precise maneuverability, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced pilots. Its folding design enhances portability, and the fixed height feature ensures stable flight. However, battery life could be a limitation for extended use. Overall, the XT4 offers a balance of performance and convenience for drone enthusiasts. XT4 mini drone boasts an impressive dual-camera system, delivering high-definition aerial photography that exceeds expectations. Its intuitive remote control ensures a seamless flying experience, making it accessible for both novices and seasoned users. The folding design enhances portability, while the fixed height feature ensures steady shots. However, the limited battery life might be a drawback for prolonged sessions.